I truly appreciate the support of anybody who's watching. My name is Kathleen Arola-Johnson, and thank you for subscribing to Creative Solace Studios. This has been a fun project in which I have filmed some art lessons about this journal with 5 supplies and 5 minutes on each page. We're up to the back cover today, so let's talk about the supplies that we will be using. I'll also put the link to the front cover tutorial in the description to this video. Supply number 1 will be some cardstock. I chose it because it's thick. You could use any heavyweight paper, or really because we're using something that might soak through, but really with the back cover in this cardboard, it shouldn't soak through no matter what. But to be on the safe side, I have some cardstock. Along with that cardstock, I'll be using some washi tape. This one has some pink flamingos on it for a decorative edge and border. The liquid product that we'll be using are bingo daubers. These are by Dazzle, and they're their glitter series. Dab Ink Dazzle Glitter Series in 6 colors. I just got them, so this is my first project with them. After those are on, we'll do some doodle drawing to finish it up with a black Posca paint marker and a bright colored Jelly Roll gel pen. Let me bring out the timer for this last page, the back cover of this fun project. I like to experiment with different materials as well as using materials that I'm used to. These glitter bingo markers are a new product for me, so why not try them out right away when I got them, just in time for this back cover. I will start by gluing the cardstock on, and then I'll use the washi tape, not necessarily for its adhesive purposes, but more for a decorative element today. I will cut the top of it to make sure it's neat. And the page behind this has a pocket on it, so I'll take out the tags. And I think I'm actually going to do this from this side so I make sure that I have that pocket adhered down. I'm trying to measure the washi tape so it's approximately half of it on this side and half on the back cover when I fold it over. Just to give an extra pattern over there. I am considering putting it on the bottom. Let's see how much of that marker I would cover up. All of my washi tape from this set is a little bit old and a little bit sticky. I mentioned in one of my other videos, don't save your washi tape too long or it either loses its stick or it sticks to itself. Sometimes it's fun to just admire it, but there comes a point when it must be used. I'm gonna put this on, and then I can always go over those dots, black dots afterwards when I am doing finishing touches on the whole book. This does help to hold it down too, because that is a thick cardstock that I stuck onto that back cover, so it gives it some added protection. I have used over half of my time to do that, so I am going to move along quickly as I venture into these glorious glitter inks that make such easily formed dots. I am liking the sparkle and the shine, the ease of applying them, and the shape of the dot. That's a nice product. Happy with that purchase. I'm just doing a rough pattern of every other color. Nice and bright. Yeah, and I did one in the wrong spot, didn't I? What should I do about that? I don't think I'm going to do anything. You know, some artwork, different people, some cultures make one mistake on purpose just to remind yourself that you are human. So there's let me turn this off. Okay, so our timer is up. So there's one that is off from the pattern, but I'm liking the color combination altogether, and I'm not gonna change anything about that one. The 5 minutes is up, but I would still like to do some doodles, starting with the Posca. Let's take a break from the black now. Come in with some of the color. It doesn't look quite complete, so I'll see what else I can do with the black before calling it finished. So this turned out to be a project that was hard to stop, and I could have kept going. I think I would actually like to do this as a longer project where I planned it out a little bit more and spaced it out, because there's some possibilities here and possibilities for more layering, maybe with some collage papers showing underneath or paint around the outside. I can see some fun things happening on a bigger project like this. Thank you so much for being part of this creative process. After this, the next videos in this series will be a flip through to show you what treasures are inside this mini art journal that was created with 5 supplies and a goal of 5 minutes for each page. Thank you again for watching. I'm Kathleen Arola-Johnson of Creative Solace Studios.